kailangan daw pwede niyang sampalin si Trillanes sa harap ng taong bayan para makabawi. But nothing really came out of it. The funny thing here is, kung tutuusin, Trillanes has been an enemy of the Marcoses and the Dutertes. More so the Dutertes, especially recently, lalo na nung panahon nila as senators. Now, Trillanes is a textbook dilawan with conservative at militant tendencies. Tandaan natin na siya ay isang veterano or veteran. Professor din siya at naging senador aligned with the Liberal Party during its heyday and with former President Benigno Aquino III, his father and his mother, and the entire Yellow Movement. He's a known anti-corruption figure in the Philippine politics but was antagonized by the Dutertes dahil sa pagbagsak ng establishment candidates noong 2016 sa paglakas ng populista at anti-status quo na sentiment at anti-niceties and decorum ni FPRRD. Kumbaga,